Protactile Language Interpreting National Education Program presents Protactile Language Alphabet and Numbers. This video is about protactile letters and numbers, which borrows from Braille. There is an established rule for their production. The first half of the alphabet, from A to J, is produced with the index finger of the H1 on the palm of the H3. The latter half of the alphabet, K through Z, is produced with the four fingertips of the H1 hand together to apply pressure to the H3 palm. This difference is important because of the similarities of several Braille letters and to be able to distinguish between them. For example, the letter B is made by connecting the dot 1 and dot 2 positions on the palm, whereas the letter L is made by connecting the dot 1, 2, and dot 3 positions on the palm. If we use the index finger for both letters, there is not enough differentiation to detect which letter is being produced. To clarify this, the letter L would be made with the tips of all four fingers of the H1. The same pattern is repeated for the rest of the letters. Protactile letters. A. Dot 1. B. Dots 1 and 2. C. Dots 1 and 4. D. Dots 1, 4, and 5. E. Dots 1 and 5. F. Dots 1, 2, and 4. G. Dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. H. Dots 1, 2, and 5. I. Dots 2 and 4. J. Dots 2, 4, and 5. K. Dots 1 and 3. L. Dots 1, 2, and 3. M. Dots 1, 3, and 4. N. Dots 1, 3, 4, and 5. O. Dots 1, 3, and 5. P. Dots 1, 2, 3, and 4. Q. Dots 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. R. Dots 1, 2, 3, and 5. S. Dots 2, 3, and 4. T. Dots 2, 3, 4, and 5. U. Dots 1, 3, and 6. V. Dots 1, 2, 3, and 6. W. Dots 2, 4, 5, and 6. X. Dots 1, 3, 4, and 6. Y. Dots 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Z. Dots 1, 3, 5, and 6. Protactile numbers. Begin with a number sign, which is made with dots 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 is dot 1. 2 is dots 1 and 2. 3 is dots 1 and 4. 4 is dots 1, 4, and 5. 5 is dots 1 and 5. 6 is dots 1, 2, and 4. 7 is dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. 8 is dots 1, 2, and 5. 9 is dots 2 and 4. 0 is dots 2, 4, and 5. Disclaimer. This video was developed by Protactile Language Interpreting National Education Program, PLI, funded by a grant from the Rehabilitation Services Administration, RSA, grant number H160D21002. The contents of this artifact were developed under a grant from the Department of Education. However, these contents do not necessarily represent the policy of the Department of Education, and you should not assume endorsement by the federal government.